Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start immediately by arming the right tools. Silver or frost damage works best because the Wight's necrotic armor reduces blunt and fire. Once equipped, move to a choke point or high ground so you control spacing and sightlines. Make sure to have 2-3 mobility options, dash, roll, or a short teleport, to avoid surprise lunges. Engage from range briefly to bait its attack pattern. The why is simple. Forcing predictable swings gives you windows to close fast and exploit its slower recovery frames. Once done baiting, insist on pattern recognition. You want one heavy attack and then an obvious recovery. Punish that recovery with a burst. Mix short combos, 1 to 2 strikes, and immediately retreat 3 to 4 meters because the Wight telegraphs counters and has a dangerous follow-up if you cling. Make sure to apply frost or slowing status as you can. Slowed movement reduces its zoning pressure. If it summons adds, interrupt or AoE them quickly so you never fight 2 threats at once. You complete the encounter by watching for a stagger and landing a heavy or charged finisher. Timing matters because the Wight flinches briefly and then regains defenses. If the stagger window narrows, make sure to use a potion or raise your shield to buy time rather than forcing a risky strike. If things go wrong and you get overwhelmed, reset the fight. Climb to a ledge, deploy smoke or flash to break aggro, and reposition. This reliable reset prevents repeated deaths and preserves resources for the next attempt.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.